Okay, gang, section 9.4, number 81, I'm going over the homework. So when you do these, particularly for this section, they're going to simplify easily for you. It's not until you get to 9.6 that they get very nasty. So what I want you to do in 9.4 is reduce them first. So for instance, we can reduce this. So 162 divided by 2 is 81. 21 d's divided by 2 d's is d to the 19. Now I'm going to break it down into perfect fourths. Now 81 is already a perfect fourth, so I'm not going to fiddle with that. But 19 is not a perfect fourth. So remember, for exponents, it has to be divisible by whatever the root is. So 19 is not divisible by 4, neither is 18, neither is 17. It's not till you get down to 16 that it's divisible by 4. So it's going to be d to the 16 times d to the third, because it has to add back up to 19. Alright, so 81 comes out as a 3. Oh, this pen might go on me. So big number, big 3. D to the 16, so 16 divided by 4 is 4, so that's d to the 4. And then these are left under, so 4 d to the 3. Okay, so what happens is if you can't, and you'll see this when I get to chapter 9.6, is that you can't have in the final answer a variable. If that happens, you actually have to make this come out of the denominator, and the only way I can do that is to give it 3 more d's. Because if I give it 3 more d's, then I have d to the 4th in the bottom, and d to the 4th comes out as plain d, and then the radical is left upstairs, and then you can reduce. So I'm just saying that because somebody was asking me a question about that. You'll see later on as we get to 9.6, you can't leave this in the denominator. It's considered not simplified. Not ever. We don't leave radicals in the denominator. Okay, so so you have to force it out if it's stuck down there by making it whatever you need to make it. In this case, I had to make it a perfect fourth. Okay, gang, so that's this one, number 81. I'll catch you. Bye-bye.